Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in case you're new here, I'm Tsering and I am a professional makeup artist. So in today's video, I will be sharing my top 10 makeup hacks that I personally use all the time, both on myself as well as on my clients. And these hacks have really changed my makeup game, so I really wanted to share that with you guys. So I've been working in the makeup industry for over a decade now, and I've worked both as a makeup artist as well as a makeup trainer. I worked with Lakme as their head makeup trainer for 2 years, but in spite of having so much experience, I feel it's very important to stay ahead of the game, because makeup is always evolving, makeup is always changing, so you always want to be in tune with the latest makeup trends. That's the reason why this particular platform called Airblack Beauty Club, it really stood out to me, because they get all these leading makeup artists or professional makeup artists to conduct workshops. So you get to learn makeup from the comfort of your own home, because it's an online makeup learning platform, and I think it's the biggest online makeup learning platform in India. And I myself attended 2 workshops until now, and I found them very insightful, because the artists, they were showing everything step by step, and it was in a very detailed manner. So I got to learn quite a bit, and I must say I picked up quite a few hacks. And guys, I have a small surprise for you. So Airblack Beauty has offered my viewers a special scholarship where you get to learn makeup in a private Zoom batch. So I think that's a great opportunity, especially if you're someone who loves makeup, or maybe you want to be a makeup YouTuber or a makeup artist like me, or maybe you want to get certified so that you can start off your own salon or freelancing journey. Then you must check out the link down in the description box. So all you need to do is just click on the link and give in your details, and you will get a call back from Airblack Beauty members, and they will be helping you out and guiding you as to how to apply for your workshop. And there are only 50 seats, so it's a first come first serve basis. So please go ahead and click on the link down in the description box right now and claim your seats. So now let's just go ahead and start with our makeup hacks. So the first hack is to apply your moisturizer and let it set completely before you actually follow up with makeup, because makeup does not sit very well on freshly applied moisturizer and it can end up looking patchy. So make sure to apply your moisturizer at least 5 to 10 minutes before you actually apply your makeup. The next hack is to never swatch foundation shades on your arms. Instead, do it on your jawline, and in case you have 2 different tones on your neck and on your face, then go ahead and swatch it on your neck, because that will make your foundation look a lot more even and it will match your body as well, and you won't end up looking like you have a mask on. So yeah, make sure to swatch it on your neck and then choose the color that is closest to your neck. For hack number 3, I would highly suggest you guys to use your fingertips to warm up any creamy products like your correctors or your concealers. And I've seen many pro and celebrity makeup artists use their fingertips, because the warmth of the fingers really melts the creamy products and they blend out beautifully onto the skin. So the whole application process is a lot more easier, and at the same time it gives off a very natural finish. The next hack is for all my ladies who use color corrections. So you want to make sure to go ahead and set the corrector before you actually go in with your concealer, because if you apply concealer directly on top of the creamy corrector, then it ends up mixing together and then you end up with orange looking or green looking concealer. But if you set the corrector before applying your concealer, then the concealer looks a lot more natural and true to color. The next tip is all about concealers. So you want to have at least 2 shades of concealer in your makeup kit. First one is the lighter shade, which you want to use to highlight. So you're going to apply that to your under eye area and to the center of your face just to brighten it up. But you cannot use a lighter shade of concealer to cover up any flaws, because in case you have dark circles or uneven skin tone and you try covering them up with a lighter tone of concealer, then it's just going to end up looking grayish, and that's a very, very bad look. So instead of covering up your flaws, it's going to highlight them further and make them more visible. So for all the dark spots, uneven areas, you want to go ahead and use a concealer that is your exact match. And that's actually going to cover up your flaws and make your skin look a lot more even. So that means if you have dark circles, then first of all, you want to go in with a shade that matches your skin tone and cover up the dark circles. And then go ahead and use a lighter shade to highlight the under eye area. Now this next hack is by one of my favorite makeup artists, Scott Barnes. So what he does is he contours and highlights the lips before actually going in with the foundation. So all you need to do is take a very dark shade of cream contour and contour all around your lips. Don't hesitate to go overboard with this because it's going to look very natural later on. And then taking a lighter shade of concealer, I'm just going to pat that on the center of my lips, giving me that very dramatic pouty lips. And then you want to apply your foundation on top of this and pat it out with a beauty blender. And once it's all blended out, as you can see, it gives such a beautiful dimension to my lips, and my lips look so much more fuller and it looks really, really defined. Now this next hack is all about baking. Now I'm sure we all do this, like after applying a concealer, we go in with lots of powder and bake our under eye directly. But according to Makeup by Ariel, what he suggests is dusting some powder before you actually bake your under eye area. So first of all, set the concealer with a little bit of powder and then go ahead and bake your under eye area. And I've noticed that this technique is such a game changer because every time I bake my under eye without setting it first, it ends up looking quite cakey, and sometimes it also reflects on flash photography. It gives me a white cast, whereas setting the concealer before baking just gives off a very natural and very, very nice finish. Now the next hack is going to show you how you can apply cream or liquid highlighters on top of your makeup that has already been set with powder. So you just want to apply it using a damp sponge and make sure to use very gentle tapping motions. Don't press too hard. And this way you will get a beautiful glow without lifting the foundation or making it look patchy, which is normally the case when you try to apply it with your fingertips. So guys, that is how you apply liquid or cream products over your powdered face. So oftentimes our eyes tend to get red during the whole makeup process. So I learned this really cool hack from Shraddha Naik on Airblack Beauty, that all you need to do in such cases is take a lubricating eye drop and just apply it to your eyes and you will be good to go. So this has been very useful even for my clients. Now for the last hack, you always want to apply a good lip balm and do that right in the beginning before you start your makeup, because lip balm needs some time to settle into your lips and really soften and plump up the lips. And also lipstick does not apply very well on freshly applied lip balm. So make sure to blot off any excess before adding on your lipstick. So those were all of my hacks, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time.